How to edit posted videos on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you will find all your reels. Simply click on the reel you want to edit. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on edit. After you click on edit, you'll find different options. At first, if you click on edit, you will be able to edit the cover page. After you're done, you can press on done at the top right. Then you'll find different options. You can change caption, hashtags, tag people, add location. If you click on advanced settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you will be able to click on accessibility, enable closed caption, translation. After you're done, you can go back and press on the tick mark at the top right. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to edit posted videos on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.